In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a file from the trash. If you've ever deleted something by mistake, don't worry. Most apps and operating systems keep removed items in a temporary holding area called the trash or recycle bin. Restoring a file from there is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get your work back without stress. Start by opening the app or window where you originally deleted the file. On the left-hand side, look for the trash or recycle bin in the sidebar or navigation panel. It's often represented by a bin icon and typically sits alongside folders like Home, Documents, or other common sections. Click on Trash to view its contents. This area lists recently deleted items, usually organized by date, so your file should be near the top if you removed it not long ago. Once you're inside the trash, you should see the file you want to bring back. This is where the trash is helpful. It keeps items for a certain period before they're permanently removed, which gives you time to recover mistakes. If your file is visible, select it by clicking on it once. A single click highlights the file so you can confirm it's the right one. In many interfaces, that single click also shows a quick preview or details like the original location and the time it was deleted. Use that to make sure you're restoring the correct item. With the file selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works the same way. On some touch devices, a long press opens the menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Restore. Go ahead and click Restore. This action tells the system to place the file back in the location it came from before it was deleted. In most cases, the name and structure remain exactly the same, so it appears right where you'd expect it. After you choose Restore, the file should disappear from the trash, indicating it's no longer marked for deletion. Some systems may briefly show a confirmation message or ask you to confirm the restore. If that appears, simply approve it. The restored file will now be available in its original folder, ready for you to open and continue using as if nothing happened. A few quick tips as you finish up. Avoid emptying the trash if you think you might need something later. And remember that items in trash may be permanently removed after a set period. Restoring promptly helps ensure you don't miss that window. That's it. Simple, safe, and done.